Transporting your canoe may turn out to be a nightmare. This is due to its size, shape, weight, and other physical attributes. To make this transportation a smooth process, you need a canoe rack. In this video, we will tell you how to make a wooden truck rack. Here are the tools you will need. 1. 2x4 lumber planks of wood. 2. 3-inch wood screws and bolts. 3. Metal braces with angular shapes. 4. Power drills for drilling screws into the wood. 5. Measuring tape. 6. Table or miter saw. Follow these steps to make your wooden canoe rack. Step 1. Take the vertical and horizontal measurement. You would need the holes on the side of the truck bed to house the vertical posts. Step 2. Cut the vertical and horizontal 2x4 wood logs. Afterward, fix the vertical logs into the hole of the truck bed. In the absence of a truck bed hole, use metal braces to fasten the vertical wood to the truck bed. Step 3. Attach the horizontal logs to the vertical logs using wood screws and bolts. Also, secure the joinings firmly by using metal braces. Do this for both the base and top of the rack. Step 4. Use a tarpaulin to protect the rack frame from moisture. Other than the wooden option, you can also make the rack with steel. Either way, a well-constructed canoe truck rack is very helpful. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details and visit our site, www.zimcarcarriers.com for more awesome car carrier content like this.